Here's a 1917 Maytag Model 43 washer. Been restoring it all winter. Finally got done. Has some early things like a manual operation on the wringer rather than on the agitator like most of them you'll see. Also has the ignition on the side of the tub there. Cast iron battery box. Early handles. So has early D style carburetor and a cast iron drain there. Inside's all been redone. Has a galvanized drain cap there instead of brass like normal. Start it up. Starts very easy. See why they got rid of those handles on the ringers there. I'd hate to be wound up in that. Never even lugged the motor down. There you go. 1917 Model 43 Maytag.